I don't take shit. I got no love. The baby wanna play tough and wanna hate this. I'll always show up. Welcome in, everyone. How you guys doing? If you guys decided to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, we're gonna get straight into this. I got two songs that I'm going to react to Gyro. I'm gonna do two separate. I'm gonna put them together, but make them separate. One showed up a couple weeks ago in my news feed because I'm subscribed. I follow them, and I put that aside. And then I see another one show up here as I came in this morning going through my stuff. I was like, oh, Gyro, what do we have here? You know what I'm saying? I find these boys are phenomenal when it comes to beatboxing, singing, the art, their work. Yeah, they built different as well. There's a few other beatboxers as well. I got this Gyro one here, and I got another one here to react to. Shogo, Zen. Yeah, someone recommended that for me, so I'm gonna do these three now. So if you see this, make sure to keep tuned in so you can see the other reactions coming straight through your way. You know what I mean? Let's go, man. We got Birds by Gyro. Yo, that bass was serious. Ugh.
아직게나의 ordinary life 青空さえも black and white My pen goes back and forth ここはどこ本当の自分は lost in the city 隠し癖ついた爪が光ってる Our life is too short
Man, who needs a studio? Who needs a producer? Like, for real, man. When you could go out and create this kind of spectacular form of music, stand up on a stage and do this as well, man, you got yourself a concert right there. 100% profit coming your way. You ain't need to pay off nobody. No band members, no recording label, nothing. Obviously, I'd like to know how long you could go doing beatbox, because you have to get tired after a while, though. Like this ain't no easy thing, but yo, I find they just built different. Y'all hit me down in the comment section. Let me know who your top beatboxers are. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. Come back again. Chill.
아직게나의 ordinary life 青空さえも black and white My pen goes back and forth ここはどこ本当の自分は lost in the city 隠し癖ついた爪が光ってる Our life is too short
Hey, that bass!
待ってはくれないでみたいな一瞬レイ少し踏み込んで助走はいらないそのまま
I don't even know where to start, bro. I'm just hearing everything going. The guy with the bass, he here rolling. Like, come on, man. There's so much going on here right now. It's not even a joke thing. That's how gifted they are.
Looking for a paradigm 迷うのもありじゃない Fresh up your mind Imagine free My God dreamers 雨の日だって羽ばたく
Yeah, bro, you know something? These guys come out with an album. I can listen to it. Yeah, I'd listen to this album just here, getting that, it's a two-man team. There ain't no bands in the background. There ain't no kind of instruments. There ain't kind of no electrical nothing. These guys are here giving you the 150% nothing but them, bro. Just to show you what human beings are capable of. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy, phenomenal. Like, yo, let's go, man. Fresh up your mind I'm not gonna say I know he's singing, but you know, I've been watching Gyro for a little while, so I know both of them are incredible. Don't get it twisted. The other one, when this other one starts beatboxing, you know, but I don't even try to imitate what they do, and I don't even try. I'll sound foolish. I'll just sound dumb. I'm not even trying it. But yo, what was that? That. Hey. That sounds like, you know, when you put something in reverse, like an instrument making a noise, and you put it in reverse. That's how he sounds right there, man. Yeah.
Let's get ready to beat. Put your hands up. What I do?
Are you hearing the harmonizing here? Like, oh, this is. Yo. Different breed. I don't care no one said different breed. These boys different. You know what I'm saying? They're totally built different. And you see this one here. This is what I'm going to. I think it's Paradise I'm going to react to next. Yeah, and then I got another one after that. So stay tuned. Hit me down in the comment section. Like and share. And if you have any other suggestions, any other kind of beatbox. I mean, I actually have a playlist which is down in the description. Beatboxing. So I post all my reactions for all my beatboxing content there. So go have a look. Anything that I might have missed that you might want to see me, hey, I'm here. I'm down. I think this should be spread throughout the world. Like, more people need to know about some of these guys. Real talking. That's just how I feel, because I think they're incredible. Yeah, but let me know in the comment section. Like, share, and thank you for tuning in. You could be elsewhere, but you're here right now. So take care, be safe. Stay blessed out there, everybody.